Mahilig ka bang mag-tweet sa Twitter, mag-post sa mga social media platform? Ang tanong, kumikita ka ba doon sa mga pinopost mo? What if may isi-share ako sa inyong platform na kung saan maaari kang kumita every time you post? Tulad nito.
Wow!
Kaya, stay tuned. So what is Noise.cash? Noise.cash is a social platform just like Twitter, which allows its user base to earn Bitcoin Cash from tips for making short posts. So paano ba magsimula or how to get started? All you need is to register at Noise.cash. And then, you need first a Bitcoin wallet address. So, dun sa Bitcoin wallet address, dun mapupunta yung mga tips na marireceive mo sa mga user. So, pagka-register mo dito, meron ditong tinatawag na subscription. So, the subscription section will show you the posts from people that you have chosen to subscribe to. As each member creates new posts, they will appear in your subscription section. And also there's a chamber, wherein chambers are a lot like smaller communities. Noise that focus around specific topics. At the time of writing this post, the only way to post into a chamber is to go to a specific chamber and write from there. There's no way to tag a chamber manually in your post. Ayun, so kapag kinlik mo yung chamber, may mga lilitaw dyan na parang mga hashtag kung tawagin, di ba? So, i-click mo lang yun. It's a small community. Then, pwede ka rin mag-subscribe and pwede kang mag-post. That's how simple it is. And subscribing to your account in chamber is you can go to the subscribe button. Okay? So, you will notice a subscribe button that will turn into darker shade. So, pwede ka rin mag-cancel. So, you can cancel your subscription if you want, okay? And then also there's an explore. The explore section is on the top navigation bar. It's an amazing place to start and reveal user that you may like to subscribe to. If you are new to the platform, maybe you have no idea who anyone is, so you can click on the Explore icon, which will show you recent posted content from various user. So lahat ng mga user dito sa Noise, makikita mo dito sa Explore. And then you can also click the search. The search section is a pretty self-explanatory. It lets you to search a topic and will return users chambers and posts that relate to the term you search. So, para dito, Facebook search bar. Okay? And also, you can creating better posts. This might also be a tricky topic to think about at first. If you are new to this site, that's cool. Explore a bit and get familiar with things. So, mas maganda kung tingnan mo yung mga ibang nagpo-post, yung mga maraming earnings, para at least magkaroon ka ng idea ano ba yung mga magandang topic. Okay, so meron din akong video para dyan kung ano ba yung mga magandang topic on social media. Alright, so I hope nakatulong tong maiksing video na to. Kung sa tingin mo nakatulong to, just give me a like and also subscribe and also hit the bell icon para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod kong mga video. And kung may mga question ka, just leave on the comment section. So thank you so much and see you on my next video.